premise one, the fine-tuning of the universe for intelligent life is due to either physical necessity, chance, or design. Second premise is it is not due to physical necessity or to chance, from which it follows logically, three, therefore it is due to design.
So explain number two. In other words, the universe doesn't have to be beautiful and ordered. Was that what that number two is?
That's correct. What scientists have discovered is that from the very moment of the Big Bang, the universe was fine-tuned with literally an incomprehensible precision and delicacy for the existence of intelligent life, such that if these constants or quantities had been altered by less than a hair's breadth, life would have been impossible, and there would be no life of any sort throughout the entire cosmos. And the question is, how do you best explain this appearance of design? Well, physical necessity would say the universe has to be that way. It must be finely tuned. But that is extraordinarily implausible, because you see, these finely tuned constants and quantities that we're talking about are independent of the laws of nature. They are not determined by nature's laws. They're just arbitrarily put in at the beginning, inexplicably. So they're not physically necessary. Now somebody might say, well, it's just due to chance. It's just a lucky accident. But the problem with that alternative is that it has no appreciation of the fantastic odds that we're talking about here. For example, if the subatomic weak force had been altered by as little as 1 part out of 10 to the 100th power, that's 10 followed by 100 zeros, the universe would not have been life-permitting. And there are a dozen or more of these kinds of constants and quantities, all of which have to fall into this exquisitely narrow range of life-permitting values in order for the universe to be life-permitting. So that the idea that this happened just by chance is just infinitesimally probable.
In fact, I think non-believing statisticians and philosophers have said there hasn't been enough time in that 13.7 billion years for that type of chance to bring about the kind of order that we're seeing.
Right. I mean, to give you an idea of the numbers we're talking about, there have been only around 10 to the 17th power seconds in the history of the universe. And now we're talking about odds like 1 out of 10 to the 100th power. And this is just one parameter, and there are, as I say, many of them.
az rakamlar veriyor ama bunlar bu asıl ayarlar konusunda herkes hemfikir. Son bir Penrose'un Kralın Yeni Usul kitabından bir örnek vereyim. TÜBİTAK basit Türkçesini. İsteyenler Türkçe'de okuyabilir. Evrenin başındaki kütle enerji dağılımındaki hassas ayar ne? Evrenin yaşama izin vermesi için. Penrose'un kitabında verdiği rakam, hesabı da en son bastığı bir kitapta, Road to Reality kitabında bu hesabı nasıl yaptığının detayları da var. Bu kütle enerji dağılımının yaşama izin verecek şekilde ayarı 1 bölü 10 üzeri 10 üzeri 123'te 1. Ben bundan büyük bir rakam fizikte hiç görmedim. Şimdi bu rakamı anlamaya çalışalım. Rakamı anlamak kolay değil. 10 üzeri 10 üzeri 123'te 1. Bir arkasında 10 üzeri 123 kadar sıfır var. Yani bir arkasında 10 üzeri 123 kadar sıfır var. Şimdi bu ne demek? Evrendeki toplam parçacık sayısı 10 üzeri 80. Protonlar, nötronlar, hepsini aldım. Bütün nötrinolar ne varsa, bütün parçacıkları aldım, saydım. 10 üzeri 80 civarı bir rakam buldu. Bazı gözlemlere dayalı tahminimiz bu. Bu nedenle bu rakamı ben yazmaya çalışsam, 10 üzeri 123 tane rakam var ya, her parçacığa bir rakam yazsam, bu rakamı yazamam. Bu Penrose'un kitabında verdiğim. Bu rakamı yazmaya kalksam, her parçacığa bir rakam yazsam, bu rakamı ben yazamam. 1 bölü bu kadar ihtimal bunun doğru değeri alması. Bu kadar bir sapma ve yaşam oluştu.